So, friends, you have got this gift of life to live it to the fullest. And if you are making these mistakes in your life, so maybe you are wasting your life in some way and you should avoid doing these mistakes. So, friends, my name is Gurpreet Singh. I'm a life coach, and let's start this video. In this video, we are going to know about things which you should avoid, you should stop doing immediately, because of which you may have regrets later on in your life. Maybe you are also wasting your life. So, number one tip I want to share you is that if you are wasting time on social media, apart from your work, if you are spending time on Instagram, social media, in order to get your dose of validation, in order to feel important among people, in order to feel that you stand somewhere in your life, and when you are using social media mindlessly, you are getting influenced by the post of people, you are believing everything what you see, you are feeling that your life is not worthy enough, you feel you are a failure, you feel other people are achieving, they are happy, having the perfect relationships, having the perfect career, finances, and you always feel miserable about your own self. So if you are wasting a lot of time on social media and you feel it is making you feel good, but indirectly it is going to pull down your self confidence and self esteem. Number two thing to stop doing immediately in your life is that stop being surrounded by people who do not appreciate you, who do not value you. In fact, they pull you down, they give you negativity, they don't have belief in you. So, if you are surrounded by such people, you will have very few chances of getting successful or happy in life, because you are constantly being judged, you are subjected to their criticism, you are always feeling bad about your own self, and you have no one who believes in your abilities, and that is why it leads to a lot of self doubt, and you also stop believing in your own self. So just filter out all the negative people from your life, and just include handful of people who are your close friends, who are your well wishers, who really mean a lot to you, and you also mean a lot to them. The number three thing to stop doing in your life is, if you are doing something which you don't enjoy, you don't like, whether it is your profession or your personal life, or however you want to live your life, you are doing it because of people, because of pressure, because of society, and you truly do not enjoy what you are doing. Maybe you are in a certain profession and you don't enjoy that profession, so later on you will always have regret in your life. If you have the chance to change this, if you have the chance to do something better for your livelihood, also for your expenses also, just jump into that risk taking behavior, otherwise you may regret later on in life. Number four thing to stop in your life immediately is that, if you are using the wrong cope up mechanism, when I talk about cope up mechanisms, whenever you are having stress, anxiety, you are feeling depressed, lonely, sad, and maybe you use online websites, dating websites, pornographic websites, or casual relationships with people, or maybe alcohol or drinking or any kind of drugs, and you are using all of these techniques to feel better, to get rid of your stress, then I must promise you that this is going to take you into a bigger trouble in the future. And these things are just taking your mind away and distracting you from what is the reality. It is not helping you solve your problem from the root cause. So if you are getting caught in all of these things, you might consider professional help. When I spoke about social media, one habit what people have got glued to is that constantly checking their feed, constantly checking their notification, constantly checking their likes on their pictures, on their videos, or whatever they have posted. And if they are not getting enough likes or validation online, they start feeling depressed, they start feeling that hollowness inside them, and they can be pushed into severe depression also. The next thing to stop doing in your life is chasing someone continuously, chasing someone from the opposite sex or the same sex, or you want to get into a relationship very bad, similar to a wrong coping up mechanisms, where you have had a failed relationship in the past. Maybe your childhood was not good, maybe your family members did not give you enough love, care, affection, and validation, and you want all of this from your partner, and you are just chasing people, you are changing people, you are getting constantly into relationships, even toxic relationships, you are getting abused in relationships, and you want someone to truly love you, but deep inside you, you don't value yourself, you don't respect yourself, and you are expecting this from externally, and then there is disappointment. So I would say, stop all of these things. Do something about your life goals, your finances, your inner discovery, and don't just depend upon people or materialistic things to complete you. The next thing you have to stop doing in your life is that if you are in an abusive relationship where it is not a two-sided relationship, where only you are doing all the work and the other person doesn't care about you, doesn't value you, and still you are trying to prove yourself, trying to be a better version of you, whatever you have tried is not working out in the relationship. So any relationship does not come at the cost of your own self respect. So just think about this. And do you want your kids or future generations to be such people who are caged inside a relationship which is a one sided relationship? So take care of your self esteem, your self worth, and wherever there is abuse, you need to stand up, say no, be assertive, and fight it. The next thing to stop doing is that taking people in your life for granted, your family members, the people who are close to you. You always talk rudely to them, you never value them, you never give them time, you choose other people above them, and for sure in the future you will have regret about this, because these people are those people who are available for you each and every time, but you are not giving them that love, care, affection. So I would say start giving in into the relationships which matter a lot, are part of your life, so that you don't feel any regret about it. The next thing to stop doing in your life immediately is, if you are guilty, if you are in regret or remorse because of your past actions, because of your past actions or inactions, because of doing something in the past or not being proactive and doing something in the past, and you are constantly thinking that I have wasted my life, I can't do anything, my life is finished, I can't achieve my goals, why did I do this, how could I do this? You have to stop it, because your past will never dictate, it's not going to dictate your future. But you can always think of your past as a lesson where you learn something about life, so as to know what mistakes not to repeat in your life. But never just stick to your past and keep reflecting on the past, which makes you stagnant right now and it stops you from achieving anything in life. So get rid of the past, forgive yourself for any mistakes, because you are human beings, you can make mistakes, you can learn from mistakes, and get ready to plan a fresh future for yourself. And the last thing you should stop doing immediately in your life is that if you are wasting life, which is actually wasting your time, the 24 hours which you get from morning till night, if you are not using it effectively, if you are not making the most of your time, if you are not using your time for your goals, whatever you want to achieve, whatever is priority for you, whatever is important and urgent for you, if you are not able to put time into all of these things, you will 100% regret in the future. You need to be proactive, you need to be conscious about where you are putting your time, with whom you are engaging yourself all throughout the day. Is your life productive? Which means, is your day or your daily routine productive? If you take care of your daily routine, then weeks and months and years will automatically become productive. So please take care of whatever you are doing every day. It should take you nearer to your goal, not away from your goal. So that is what you need to keep in your mind. So friends, if you like this video, please share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching Life Coach.